Looking to add useful ports to your MacBook or PC laptop? Check out this new Thunderbolt 4 docking station from Yottamaster. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out the major features of Yottamaster's latest 12-in-1 Thunderbolt 4 docking station and see how well it adds useful ports to a laptop. It came in a black box. Inside the box, there is the docking station. Underneath, there are a power cord and a large power supply. A Thunderbolt 4 USB-C to USB-C cable, and an user manual in Chinese and English. The docking station is all metal. It's housed in this light silver aluminum shell, about 7 inches wide by 3.5 inches deep and 1 inch thick, weighs about 12 ounces, typical horizontal docking station size. There's a Yottamaster logo on the top, and these unique cooling vents on all 4 corners. The bottom corners also taper similarly to match. There are 4 little rubber feet on the bottom to keep the dock from sliding around on the desk. In the front, there is a power button with a blue indicator light, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. The host port connects to a source laptop with up to 40 gigabits per second speed and 85 watt of power delivery. The downstream port, also up to 40 gigabits per second, can supply 15 watts of power. A 10 gigabit per second USB-A 3.2 port, a 10 gigabit per second USB-C 3.2 port, and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. On the back, there are SD and TF card ports, 2 older 480 megabit per second USB-A 2.0 ports. These are good for peripherals like keyboards and mice. A gigabit Ethernet port, an HDMI 2 port, and a DisplayPort 1.4 for monitors, and a DC input for power. Here I have it set up on my desk with the host Thunderbolt 4 port connected to my 16-inch MacBook Pro, the other Thunderbolt 4 port connected to the Yottamaster Thunderbolt 4 enclosure, which I just reviewed not too long ago. It has a built-in fan to keep the drive running cool and fast without throttling. I'll put a link to that video in the description below if you want to check it out after this one. Since these are Thunderbolt 4 ports, up to 6 devices can be connected daisy-chained. We'll see in a bit if the Thunderbolt 4 enclosure works just as fast connected through this docking station. I also have a mic plugged into this 3.5mm audio port. On the back, I have a wire keyboard and a wire mouse plugged in, Ethernet, a monitor plugged into the HDMI port, and a second monitor plugged into the DisplayPort. Having a dock connecting to these 2 monitors makes working on multiple photo and video editing projects so much easier. I was getting about 2850 megabytes per second write and a bit over 3000 megabytes per second read with this Yottamaster Thunderbolt 4 enclosure connected directly to the MacBook. It's a fast drive. With it connected through the dock, I get about 1900 megabytes per second write and almost 2800 megabytes per second read. A bit slower, especially on the write. One big improvement I wish Yottamaster would make is the placement of the SD and TF card slots. I'd much prefer them to be in the front or even on the sides so they are easier to use. It's very hard for me to plug the cards in on the back. It'd also be great if the transfer speed wouldn't take a hit, especially on the right. The Yottamaster Thunderbolt 4 docking station retails for $299.99 US. There are discounts from time to time in the links I'll put in the description below. In addition to adding all these extra ports to my MacBook, What makes having a dock great is I can disconnect from all these devices: mouse, keyboard, monitor, Ethernet, external drives, power, all by just removing this one cable. And when I return to my desk, I just need to plug this one cable back in to get all the devices and power connected to my laptop. Have you been using a good docking station at home? And if you're looking for a good one, let me know which one or which features you appreciate the most in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks to Yottamaster for sending this out for me to try and share with you.